Hello everyone and welcome on this stream. So we had this trade which got missed by just one tick. I think we missed this trade by just one tick, and now the market is going in my direction. I'm totally devastated. Mm. Uh, I'm totally devastated right now because I had risked 2% on this trade almost for $1,000 because I'm in drawdown of $500 and I have lost $500 in drawdown. I thought this trade could make up the losses, but it just went against me. Now let's look at forexfactory.com before we begin our today's session. It's May 13th and we have core PPI at 8:30 a.m. Eastern, then 10 CAT Fed chairman nomination vote. I think this was yesterday. Also, what happened yesterday? Oh, it was moved from the yesterday. So let's watch and see. This is my forex account and this is my futures account, and here we have missed the trade with just one tick. I don't know how this trade was missed. I think I was unlucky here, but nevertheless we will wait. I'm not going to hurry into any trade right now, or maybe I can take a trade about with risk of $100. Should I buy market here? I don't want to buy market anything here right now. How was this trade missed? Let me see at 15 ticks chart. So here it is. Actually market did dig into the, but I think this it was missed because of the uh, it is spreads. But let's wait if the market will come back and take our entry. I just hope the market will come back to take our entry. Till then, let's put a dot here and analyze the NQ, because we are in $200 in drawdown on futures account as well. So here we are in the NQ. Let's look at the time frame. So, okay, so we are inside of a, here is the liquidity and here is the liquidity. Let's count 50 minutes time frame. We have marked the liquidity properly. It should be the mark. This was the trade I had taken yesterday, but I was not uh, so patient and got out of this trade, then took the losses in trying to capture the run towards liquidity, and that was the mistake I had done. So let's look at 1 minute time frame here, because CFD thing does not give the proper uh, okay, so it's just moving up and I'm getting big FOMO right now. Why did I miss this trade? Like very very big FOMO. I don't think the market, if comes back, will respect my level anymore, so I will just delete this order. And for here I can also trade US 500, US 30. Okay, so US 100 is the, we have some kind of SMT right now. So this is the fair value gap. I think this will become the inversion fair value gap. So I will take place a buy order here. My trading order, buy limit. I will place a buy limit order just here. Let's put on this fair value gap. and let's do buy limit. Stop loss will come here. What the fuck is this, man? I've risked $200 on this trade and aim for $1,000. $1,000 is enough. Yep, this is enough. So this is my trade here. Let's mark it here. What I have taken that risk and reward is I have used this candlestick as the inversion minus IFVG. Here it is, minus IFVG. Yeah, the gold has given a big run. I just wish if it had taken my entry. But nevertheless, Sunday Manuel. Good morning, Sunday Manuel. How are you? And welcome on the stream. I just missed this trade with just one tick on my funded hive account. This is phase 2 account, and I am just like devastated right now. It was a good run at 1 is to 2 RR. I had reached 1.8% on this trade, but I could have captured 140 points on this trade. Let's remove this and this line as well. Let's see if we can get any move capture toward the downside, but I don't think the market is going to move downside anytime sooner. Let's look at dollar index. The dollar index is moving inside in some kind of, I have not, I don't remember when. Okay, so market has moved all the way down here. 1 hour time frame. We are inside this gap. Let's, it will be from here to here. Okay, and I think the market will fall, so the gold is rising, so GBP must rise as well. Okay, so but we don't. Okay, that's a good kind of a good sign of bullish momentum. I would like to wait for the market to come back to this fair value gap, because this is our 100 FPG. And let's put a alert here. And at the same time we can also trade USD JPY. Let's look for any kind of but this can become very bad trade. We do have a trade here as well for the short side. Once we get a body candle close below this, we can take a short. But I was more interested in this gold trade. It was like straight to TP, man. Why did I miss this trade? Come on, my luck. You are playing dirty with me. Okay, so this one has also went up. Let's delete this trade as well. And let's try some other asset. I think US30, mini S&P 500. Why is US30 not in this list? S&P 500, Russell Standard Poor's 5 Stock 100 Index Futures. What is this? Poor's 500. So these Americans are heartless, man. How can they call someone poor? I'm fine. I passed my direct funded trader free 10K account. You said on Discord I am waiting for the 5 minimum trading days to pass for funded account. Okay, bro. So good luck with your 10K funded account, and I hope you get a payout and post it in the Discord. Uh, so the this has also went up, and let's come back at NQ. Well, this is 50k Blue Guardian futures account, mini Nasdaq. Right now, I don't have any trades. The market is just going up without any kind of retracements. The market should have come down with after this. Should have. That is the how this model works. I would like to take a trade from here. 1 is to 5 RR up to this place. This is what the entry and exit should have been if the market had played as I was thinking it would have. Here we have another thunder fair value gap, but I think it had taken the stop loss. If there was an entry, stop loss would have been at this high. Okay, so our stop loss would have been set with just one tick, and I think the spreads would have taken us out. But I would have taken a re-entry if the market had closed under the thunder fair value gap, but we are not in the market. We were not in the market when it had began. Okay, so we have an entry on USD JPY for the short side. Let's see. Let's take a trade on USD JPY. Here it is USD JPY. How many lots should I go with? I will go with 2 lots. If I go to sell, stop loss. Let's look at 1.2% loss because I believe in this model. Let's see if I have taken a trade here. Sell limit, and I have risked like 2 lots. Modify order, and the stop loss will go up here. Oh, it's just $32 even with 2 lots. Mm, so what am I going to get from this trade? I think we can get a lot from out. We can get a lot out from this trade. Let's just do this. It's $43 of stop loss. 46. I can get $500 from this trade. I don't think I can get 500 from this trade. So we have entered into this trade on USD JPY. And let's come at USD JPY. I think we have entered somewhere here. Our stop loss is here, and we go for 1 is to 5 RR, right? It is 57,492. 57,492. 492. $188. Let's see if it will play out or not. The entry is 645. The entry is 645 here. Let's look at GBP/USD. It's coming back down. Gold, it has nearly taken the full TP. If I hope I was in this trade, it would have been a $1,000 worth of trade, and then I had to trade only 2 days more to complete the minimum trading days requirement. This is going to be a loss. I can't believe this. How much commission did it take? Let's see. It I think it took $10 or $20 worth of commissions. Balance is 504. I won't have much left in drawdown to take any more risks in this account. Let's look at deep charts. We have taken out this liquidity, and we are about to touch the all-time highs. I think the market will be bullish today, but we don't have any kind of entry points right now. We do have this fair value gap, but it had touched the consequent encroachment. If Let me show you one thing here, just here, yeah, right now. Suppose there is a middle line in this fair value gap. Okay, if we had this week down here, and if it had not touched the consequent encroachment, that is midline, and went up and closed like this, and the second candle has also closed above this candle, then this candle would have turned into a order block. Okay, green, even the green candle would have turned into order block. We would have taken a trade here. Stop loss would be just little bit below the consequent encroachment, that is below the middle line, and we would target the next we would target the next nearest liquidity. Okay, so USD JPY had fallen. Yes, oh, this was yes last fall, not yesterday's fall. So this liquidity is taken out, I think. uh, I'm not going to get into any form, but the USD JPY is not willing to go any direction. GBP USD, is still, I still want this market. If it had come out like here, we would have taken a trade. Let's see how much margin do we have. Okay, 4,000 worth of margin is free. How many lots can I take? Oh, I can take one lot still now. Okay, if I had taken one lot here, what would have been my stop loss? The stop loss would go here, $36. This could have been a good trade as well, but I am really interested in the gold. Did it hit a full TP? No, it did not hit any full TP. So it is going up. Do you have any order block or something? We don't have any order block, and I'm not going to take this trade here at all. Let's look at our USD JPY trade. It should have went down already because the market is going up on GBP USD and Euro USD, so it is anti-correlated. It is being held up, which is also a good sign that the market will drop. And it will drop very fast. If some correlated pairs are going up and the anti-correlated pairs are not moving in the same pace, then you can be sure that the market will go up. This liquidity is swiped already. The next is that this Next liquidity is this one, which was my target, and the most interesting liquidity is this one. This is a sniper's liquidity. Let's come on the NQ, and we can, if we can get a trade, I mean, if we can get a close below this line, we will take an trade in the short side. Let me mark the opening price of the day so I don't get burned out here. 616. Delete this one. Let me show you one thing. You should always mark the opening price of the day every day, because you will see some interesting facts there. If you mark the opening price of every of the asset that you trade, what is happening, man? I think my computer is not being able to take on the it came. If you mark these lines, you will see some interesting stuff, believe me. And this is another order block that is important. So now let's see, should we take a down trade from here? Market is not going to touch the, not now, this order block right now, not today. So I think this is the all that is this trade is going to give. And let's take, array bapre, I think should close this trade right now because the market has turned to the upside. I'm not losing $52 in this trade. Let's see if we take a sell limit here. Let's see. We are going to 0.6 lots, modify order, and our stop loss is just here. Let's do this. Not $108, we are going for $81, and we target here at like $1,000. Will this work? I'm raising $78 on this trade, which I think will probably will work. I would like to target for this liquidity and take entry after the first fair value gap that comes here. Let's see if we get a fair value gap here. Then I will enter with that. I think the bull run is over right now. Yep, we have an entry here as well. Trading order, sell limit, place order, stop loss will go all the way to the upside to 69, and the TP will come somewhere here. This is too much. This is also too much. This is right. Now let's see if this trade works out or not. Okay, we will take a trade from this fair value gap, put our stop loss all the way up. I hope this will work. This is not any proven uh, this is not any proven, what I say, this is not any proven model, but this is a good price action stuff. Now let's see if we get into taking if we get an entry and if it works according to us. We are taking a trade from this fair value gap, and the refugee short. We are taking a short from here all the way to, I think, this place 1:7 RR we are looking for. What is the target? Come on man, take that trade. I know you are going to go down. 46.82. Oof. What is has happened to my luck, man? Yeah, this is right. The market said no, I'm not taking your entry again. You will lose this account. Yeah. I am really pissed off. Totally pissed off. Let's look at GBP USD. So the market did came down, but it not touch the 100 fair value gap. I'm totally pissed off right now. Come on man, give me an entry. We have our limit order set on the Nasdaq and the gold as well on Forex, but we are missing entries again and again, over and over. I think this could have been a good run, and this trade is another good run, but we missed two entries today. So I think I will trade in the London session properly. Yes bro, sell entry on gold. Let me show you the sell entry. This was our entry for the sell. Then we have this Thunder FVG. This was also sell entry, but we missed that as well. You can see the market did not dig into that fair value gap. If it had taken into that fair value gap, we would have taken an entry and we would have been in the profits already. And you can look, see, we have a lot of liquidities down below, like a lot of liquidities. This is a major liquidity. Then we have this liquidity, we have liquidity here, we have liquidity here. I think this is the last liquidity we should aim for, because market, yeah, market can go below can go below this altar. This one is taken out, and you can see that we have our exit right at the uh, liquidity, so we are good in a good trade position. But as you can see, our entry was not taken or not filled in, I say, and I have only 4.6% left in the equities to pass this phase 2 of 100 hive. I really want to pass this account. If I pass this account, I will just pay the half of the profits from the pay from profits, and I can take $1,000 worth of payout every day without any minimum days trading this requirement. Let's look at our futures account. The futures account is has not taken any entry yet. It touched the, actually there is no, literally no. Let's do this. Yep, this is also good. Fine, this would have could be a good fine entry, because we don't have any fair value gap inside this bull run. So this is our breaker. We are taking entry with a breaker which has already been taken out, and it will run towards the liquidity. So let's see if this works out. In our gold trade, we won't have anything else except this. I'm getting FOMO, man, a lot of FOMO, like really a lot of FOMO.
Order filled.
Okay, so one order is filled somewhere. Let's see. Oh, the order is filled on the futures account. If I lose this trade, then the next trade will be in the London session. If I win this trade, then I won't be able to take any more trades, because it has 40% of consistency. So let's just wait and watch how it plays out. XA USD trade is like we have totally lost it. If you are waiting for any signal, then I will say sort the Nasdaq right now. You can sort the Nasdaq and aim for 42 points or 42 ticks. 8 ticks stop loss and 42 ticks TP. That is 1 is to 5 RR plus 2 ticks. Wait a minute, please. I will just come back right now. So here I am back. Thank you, Emmanuel. It's normal to miss entries, but you miss entries like this. You are like devastated, bro. Come on, let me show you. I missed these entries. Can you see? Such a great entry I missed. It would have been like 1 is to 4 RR trade already. I would have taken up my stop loss would have been trailed here, and I would have gone stopped out here. Such an entry I missed. There is no miss use of this anymore. So let's delete this. Come on, get deleted. Yes, I want to trade this. And USD JPY, is it going in our direction? No, thank God we get got out of this trade. And this inventory, it never came back to the this standard fair value gap was validated with these candles, so this trade is actually invalid. And let me read this as well. Gold not doing anything in our favor. Okay, so the Nasdaq is going in our favor right now. So let's see if it can take out this. Even the market takes out this liquidity, I will go break even, or I will go in the 50% of the profits, trail the profits to the 50% of the 50% of the current profit, running profit. Then we will see how it will play out. I mean, even the market comes down here, I will trail the SL to here, but right now we cannot say anything because it is turning bullish somehow. But we have liquidities below, and I'm sure the market will be, it is accumulating orders right now, and because we have these lows, I am sure the market will drop down, take out these liquidities. Or if we miss any trade here, I can, I will trade the London session then. And the data speed is quite slow here, just like trading view.
Order filled.
Oh shit. Okay, so was there any news? So if the market is going up, should I write this entry? No, don't do the FOMO stuff. I think the market is bullish right now, and they're going for this liquidity here. Let's see if we can get an order block, but I don't want to trade anymore. We do have this inversion fair value gap minus IFBG, because you can see there is no hold wicks on this candle. Let me show you something. I want to see now I want to see, once this candle digs below this week, I want to see a close above. What is this? It's showing, okay, it is showing the prices. I want to see a close above, then this candle will turn into a order block. But I'm not taking an entry again anymore with that candle. We lost $320 in this trade. I was kind of having the intuition that this can go down, this can go against us. This is the order block, and this will become the stop loss. But my fear is that there is an volume balance here, and the next candle must close below the above this week for this candle to be an order block. Institutional trader. Okay, I will see on Discord. Let me see. Okay, the gold is coming up, and let's see it will respect the institutional trader, right? Can you send the friend request again? I can't see your name like somewhere. I think there's a lot of requests down here. Sorry, bro, I can't see your friend request anywhere. You can send me again, then I will surely accept. As I said, there is a volume balance here, and the market will come to fill that. And thank God I did not take that trade, because for that trade to be valid, this it had to close above this. And here is the inversion fair value gap. I can take a trade here and put the stop loss here, and the stop loss would have been taken out. My fear is that this volume balance, let me delete this, the market will come to fill this volume imbalance, and we don't know what kind of price action it will perform after that. So no trade right now. So after waiting for so long, we did not get any entry, and how many lots can I take in this? I can take 7, 10, 8 lots. That's crazy. This is an inversion fair value gap, and the market has respected this inversion fair value gap. So let's try a buy limit. Stop loss, if I place the stop loss here, I'll use $4, and if I turn this into 8 lots, I'll lose $33, right? But my TP will be, what is this happening, man? Somewhere here, $800. This is a very big trade, and I'm not taking this because this is unrealistic. So my next target would be to just to go break even on this trade, and I will not try to make any profits. Let's lower that. Oh shit, this +3 limit. If I had not seen this, come on, give me an entry. I have sent you friend request, institutional trader. I don't remember, man. Sorry for that. Pending INS. I see, I can't remember you. There is nothing of yours. Okay. Yes, coupons are gone. I'm sure the market will come down to take this liquidity, I mean this volume imbalance out. But I'm not taking any trade on this account anymore. So we are only taking trades on gold and funded hive account. If I lose this account, I can just buy another account for 15 or $19 with pay from profits, pay from profits type of. I think I should not risk this much. I should risk only 1%. If I lower the stop lots to 0.5, not 0.2, little bit up, 0.4. Yeah, this is okay. 0.4 is okay. And like it is, I am behaving like I won't get any more trades, but I do will get trades and taking over risk in when I have just 4% risk left is just foolishness. Okay, just received your institutional trader. I just received your message. I just waved back. Let me focus on trading now. 35% off. So which account are you trading right now? Let me see. You have sent some images. Oh, the EFT account. So you have $800 in profits. Great. Just take trades, 3 trades a day for a month, and you'll be able to take a payout. Let's look at GBP USD in the meantime. The GBP USD has come back to the 100 FBG and it is rejecting to the upside. Let's look at Dixie. Is it going? Does it has upside potential or downside potential? The Dixie is going up, so the USD, GBP USD, and XA USD should come down. How do you get your first? It's not about how do I get my first, but you should say when did I get. Last year from for traders from one step, from 6K one step account. cannot be uh, strangled in the Discord right now. I need to stay awake here. Maybe we can go for just $800. Let's see if our trade will work out or not. Let's look at this on the ticks chart. This will be awesome to watch. Okay, so we have created a lot of liquidities in the meantime, and if we get an entry and if it works in our favor, we are going to get a very big moves to the downside. So our we are filled in into our trade, and now let's see if the trade will work in our favor or not. I hope it just doesn't go straight towards our stop loss. If it does, I will close the stream and trade back in the London session. I hope there is no news right now. The only thing I am worried or want to do right now is go break even. That is 1,000, 10,000. It is $500 in profit or $600 that we have. Oh shit, man! I am just glad that I lowered my risk. Let's not just do this and look at the overall picture on the trading view. That is our stop loss template. Visual sent back. So it is going straight towards our stop loss. Hey, yeah, ha 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 ha. Gotcha. It just gave me hope. Then it respected this fair value gap. So we are in the, and it is not in the, we are not in the new hour right now. So we are out of the trade now. After missing two good entries, I'm taking a trade and it is going towards a loss. How do you feel about that, Emmanuel? Can you share your emotions about this thing? You take two entries, good entries, but you don't get filled in. You are missed by just one tick. And when you are finally filled in, you are going. Sorry, let me say this again. You took two entries, both are missed, and they go towards your TP. You take third entry, that is filled, and it goes towards your stop loss. How do you feel and manage yourself at that time? It is stop loss. So I have 3 more percent. I have just 3% more. Uh, let's see if we can take a trade from this Thunder OB. Did it take out this liquidity? Let me see. I think it did take out this liquidity. Yep, this liquidity is taken out. How about GBP USD? It is going good. XA USD. Good. And I did not touch this Thunder FPG. Should I take a re-entry from this with 1% risk? If I take a 1% risk here, then there is no point of that. Okay, now you can check again. I just sent a request. Oh, I checked, bro. Okay, bro, then I will close the stream now and we will meet again in the London session. Thanks for joining and be safe. Trade safe. Bye bye.